Let's make this crunchy achomo or chin chin as it is known in Nigeria. This is very easy to prepare and the results, oh my goodness, is nothing but perfect. If today is the first time here, my name is Lena. Welcome to my kitchen where we share easy recipes. So please do not make it the last time of visiting. In my bowl, I have 3 cups of all-purpose flour. You can use soft flour, okay? Now I'll add my half a teaspoon of nutmeg. You can add more, okay? Now I'll go ahead and add my half tablespoon of baking powder, and then add my quarter cup of sugar. So today our sugar is okay, do not increase it, okay? Today I'm making it just like the one you get on the street. The sugar is not less, okay, and it is not too much. I mean, it is okay. I have added a pinch of salt, and now I'm just going to mix everything. Then we can proceed. My returning subscribers or followers, thank you so much for always spending some time with me. I don't take it for granted. I am so grateful. On all social media platforms, we are there. So please follow us, and the name is Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. I will then go ahead and add my 2 tablespoons of butter. So you can use any type of your choice, or you can use margarine. So with this, it is salted, okay? So be very careful when you are adding the salt. That is why I added just a pinch, okay? Yes, now we will mix it very well, and when we are done, we will continue. Please do not forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and then our YouTube shorts. If you want short videos, I mean videos that are a minute duration or less than a minute, okay, you will love it. They are very detailed recipes. Now we are done mixing everything, and this is how it looks. When preparing something that you want to fry, okay, you make sure the butter is not too much, okay? But if you want to bake it, you can add any quantity of butter, okay? I'll then go ahead and introduce my liquid. You can use milk or water, okay? Yes. Now I'll mix it very well, and then to form a dough. When we are done forming the dough, I'll get back to you. So with your liquid, you can add it to it bit by bit so that you can get that perfect outcome, and it will not be very soft or hard. Okay, we are done mixing everything, and this is the quantity we got. I will let it rest for some few minutes, and then we work on it. I divided it into 2, and I have 1 portion on my working surface. Before I work on it, I sprinkle some flour on top of the working surface, and now I'm using my rolling pin to roll it down. We don't want it very flat, okay, and it shouldn't be very thick. But if you want it to be thick, you can just go ahead and do whatever thing you want, okay? Yes. So now this is what we have. I will make sure I have some flour all over it so that it will not stick, and then it will be very easy for us. At this moment, if you have a knife, you can just use it to cut this, and you are good to go. But I'm going to use my pizza cutter, and that really helped, okay? Yes, it makes life easier. So as you can see on the screen, just like this, okay? Thank you for your time. Can you please subscribe to the channel or follow for more videos? I will be very happy to see you in the next upload, and that is the only way I can see you in the next upload. So subscribe or follow for more videos. Please like the video and let me see your comment in the comment section. So I sprinkle some flour on it so that it will be very easy for us to collect everything and then fry. As I'm talking to you right now, I have my oil on fire. The fire is not too high and it is not low. Okay, it is on medium heat. So I was just standing in front of the stove, okay, and it seems when I was passing, my body touched the regulator and it went back to low heat, and something told me to come back to check on the achomo. Okay, I mean, you have to keep an eye on it. So I came to check on it and I realized the thing was absorbing a lot of oil. Then I was like, what is going on here? When I checked the regulator, it was on lower heat. So what I did was I quickly, like this, as you can see, yes, so quickly I turned it back on a very high heat so that it can match up. Okay, the heat can match up, so in case you face something like that, you can just increase the fire to a very high heat, and then when it is okay, or the oil is hot enough, okay, you just have to turn it back on a medium heat so that you can get that perfect outcome. And one thing I realized was the oil was too small for the achomo, but you got that perfect outcome. Okay, yes, but it was stressful for me. Now this is how it looks. I allowed it to rest on the paper towel, and this was very nice, crunchy, and then perfect. The recipe was very easy, right? Yes, thank you so much for having you today. And please do not forget to subscribe so I can see you in the next upload. Take good care of yourself. I love you. Bye-bye.